Eli Lilly, LLY, is trending sharply higher as investors react to a blowout Q4 2025 earnings report and an upbeat 2026 profit outlook, reinforcing the company's status as one of the dominant forces in the fast growing obesity and diabetes treatment markets. Q4 2025 earnings, growth machine in action. Lilly delivered another blockbuster quarter, reporting revenue up 43% year over year to $19.3 billion, dollars, far exceeding expectations. Non-GAAP EPS of $7.54, reflecting strong operating leverage and expanding margins. Robust volume-driven growth, primarily from Mounjaro, diabetes, and Zepbound, obesity, which continue to see demand outstrip supply in many regions. Management highlighted continued manufacturing ramp ups and supply chain investments, signaling confidence that Lilly can better meet global demand heading into 2026. 2026 outlook raises the bar. Lilly also issued strong initial 2026 guidance, pointing to another year of substantial profit growth. While details vary by segment, management emphasized sustained double digit revenue growth expectations, continued margin expansion as scale improves, and ongoing heavy investment in R&D and manufacturing capacity to support the GLP-1 franchise and broader pipeline. The elevated outlook has fueled speculation that Lilly's growth cycle could extend well beyond the next few years. GLP 1 leadership versus competition. A major theme in community discussion is Lilly's strengthening competitive position in the GLP 1 market, especially in light of a key rival's recent guidance challenges and more cautious tone. Many investors view Lilly as having a more reliable supply trajectory, benefiting from strong prescriber momentum for Mounjaro and Zepbound, and building a deeper next generation obesity and cardiometabolic pipeline, including oral and longer acting candidates. This has reinforced the narrative that Lilly may be pulling ahead in the weight loss drug arms race. Stock split speculation and valuation talk. With shares trading at an elevated level, chatter has resurfaced around the possibility of a stock split to improve accessibility for retail investors. While no announcement has been made, the idea continues to circulate across investing forums. At the same time, valuation remains a hot button issue. Bulls argue Lilly deserves a premium multiple due to its durable growth engine, category defining products, and massive addressable market. Bears caution that expectations are extremely high, and any slowdown in GLP 1 growth or pricing pressure could lead to volatility. Future pricing environment in focus. Another ongoing debate centers on long term pricing dynamics for obesity and diabetes drugs. Investors are weighing potential reimbursement expansion as obesity treatment becomes more mainstream, risks from government negotiation, international pricing pressure, and eventual competition, whether volume growth can offset any future pricing headwinds. Bottom line, Eli Lilly's Q4 beat and bullish 2026 outlook have cemented its reputation as a best in class growth story in big pharma, driven by unprecedented demand for Mounjaro and Zepbound, with multi year runway still ahead.
Okay, so the stock is up 8.82%. This is Wednesday, the 4th of February 2026. 362,000 shares have crossed the tape, roughly 10% of its 50-day average of 3.11122 million shares. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, on this is the daily chart. On the line trend strongly bullish, so the stock has been consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. Let's see, since October, since November, yeah, since late November of 2025. And since now, right now, this extrapolation got it wrong. Okay, we are looking at higher prices, but Fibonacci projections we can take. We have 9 7, all of them are down projections: 899, 927, 974. Okay, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart, which is active at the moment. Okay, the 4-hour chart, this is that consolidation we're talking about. Yeah, that's been in place since November of late November of 2025. Yeah, so the extrapolation is saying that yes, this strength it has, it actually picked it up from when? When did it pick it up from? Oh, okay, from today. Yeah, from yesterday, as a matter of fact, from yesterday. Yes, yesterday. Okay, yeah, from yesterday, it picked up that strength, and it's indicating that it might hold it up till the 5th of February. That's tomorrow, the 5th, midday. Also, from then on, it might contract somewhat and then resume the uptrend from Tuesday the 10th. Tuesday the 10th, okay. The 40 period moving average equally expected to continue to rise to serve as a support in the case of in the event of a pullback. Projections here are saying nothing to the upside as well. 944.67, 961.01, 987.44. Momentum is expected to remain elevated as well up till Friday the 6th of February. And then after that, we are looking at the prospect of a pullback. Yeah, from that day as well, the momentum is expected to collapse, and maybe there's a chance that the 10 period moving average may drop below its sorry, the price may drop below its 10 period moving average, and we can't exactly say what will be going on then, what the how strong it will be or anything like that. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what we have. Yeah, momentum will be, of course, obviously, they to be losing ground, to be losing money. I mean, to be losing I mean, if it's dropping, then it will be losing value. Yeah. So at that point, it would still be gaining $6.7 every day, but below that, we were looking at $4 and much lower. Okay, so that's just an extrapolation pointing to so many days ahead. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. What we could do is just have a look at the market grid to see what it's going to indicate in terms of any trading opportunities and supports and resistance. We've seen the Fibonacci projections, but they didn't give us any upper projections. We have seen the stock is at 1090 intraday high in one. Okay, has actually pulled back from the highs it printed 1102.34. Okay, let's see whether this will actually reflect that price. 110.24. Let's see what we have. Yes, yes, we have it. So the range is between 1142 and 1047. So and the stock is currently at 1090 and pointing down. So this is where it's just between the resistance and the support. So there's a chance it might test 1083. But the lower it gets, if it gets to 10447, yeah, there's a chance we might see a buying opportunity. So it has yeah, we might see a buying opportunity there, you know. So there's a chance it might test them a 1083 as things stand right now. Yeah, it has already tested 11. What did we see here? 1102. It has already tested that. It has actually reached 1083 at some point. It has actually done that. So it's still right around that sort of region. Let's see now what the 1 hour chart is going to give us. Okay, it's actually putting back 1 1. It's currently at 187, 186. This is where it is, just in between as well. So it's here. This is where it is, 1088. No, it's neutral, 10 8 between the resistance and the support zones as well. Yeah. Okay, I think there's an alignment in terms of extreme support, 10 1046. Let's see what the 4 hour chart is indicating. 1047, yeah. So that is a validated support. If we get there, there's a good chance a buying opportunity will improve. The buying opportunity will be good. There's a good chance we might get a bounce, and people will jump in at that as well too. Let's see what we have. 1041. Okay, still pretty much the same sort of price. So it just gives us more values. It gives us a range of that support. Going by that 1041. Let's see 10. Let's have a look at the 2 hour chart. Yeah, 1050 as well. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. Just see what you make of LLY, and thank you very much for watching this video.